Like this, dude. Sweep. Everything should be like sweeping motions, like.
Oh, so that was. Hang on. No, you're good. I'm not trying to. My wife was like, you don't like any backpack. No, because they try to do things fancy.
Me and my wife are just, you know, these are like limb facts that you guys are facing. And
It's going to carry over. I mean, unless.
Dude, that was days. That'll be a good place.
Yeah, we're set.
Split off. Okay. One team go on each side. We'll see multiple. I'm sure.
Might be going south though.
So we'll catch them if we go straight down this way?
We should be able to break. Like, I think a team or two is at least going to be back here somewhere.
And there's a couple cars there saying 8.
Unless, yeah, we're doing some sound reduction. Okay, good job. What else should you guys have been doing right as we were blowing up under the job? Zeroizing your radios. Obviously don't do it right now. You guys made all your combo and be there. Yeah. But if you guys, like, I'm sure you could get there. Oh, he was crazy.
How he's biting hands.
He's single purpose. So
signal to them, and then they're all going to walk out there. Having everybody this close is going to be just more likely. Now, you got a good spot. I'd like it if Billy is just a bigger distance that you had really could do. But
Not even just.
Hey, get out of here! Who do we got over here? Okay. Everybody bring it in.
Cujo 5-1, this is Stalker. Stand by for information. TOT 20.